Ladies and gentlemen, so much welcome. My name is One the King himself as always. One Celeb Jazz. Mbamba tusaka mulega abaselebu bamwe kalebule olugambo n'ebintu ebikwatagana dada mu entertainment industry ye Uganda. Nabagamba muno, if you haven't seen it here, you haven't seen it anywhere. Today, happily enough, tufunye kusanyo, but before even that, I've just found a lady that has just stolen my heart. Every day I've been thinking, nasanga dio mchala agenda okubba omutima gwange. Nolwairo musanze era agenda kumbulya lwaki agubba kuba tuli kumpi ne court ajja kuba kubanga akola kinga abyogera. Anyways, enough of the who do that. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay, maybe you.
Doing fine. How can I not be doing fine when I'm standing just besides a lovely, sexy looking lady, more so an African like you?
That's too much.
No, it's the truth. I need to describe your worth, because that is what I think better describes you.
I'm so grateful.
How are you?
Very good.
Could you please introduce yourself to my viewers on Celeb Jazz?
I'm Shani256 on all my social media platforms, and my name is Ayabizza Austin Chantel.
Konko oli omumbalala?
Ndi omukiga.
Oli omukiga? Wankai? Kanungu. Ashino gamba chimbweni?
Kurunchani.
Olije?
Ndije mnonga.
Amagala?
Marungi.
Ogumire? Mbweno nakuleba. You know, that's how we greet in Western Uganda, so don't get offended, because that is how we greet.
Yeah.
So should we use Luchiga, should we use English? Luganda? English is better.
Yeah.
So kola museko bantu bafaberi Bushenyi, Kanungu, Mbarara, naona.
Abantu banje mwena nimbakunda mnonga, mwebale kumbeeraho, nyowe mwana wanyu mwebale kumfollowinga, nimbakunda mnonga.
Kale nange nimbakunda munonga, nimbagonza, nimbayagala nnyo, nimbakunda shane. So today it's a happy day that tuli wano ku court era Dr. Sefko awereddwa bail. Owulira otya?
I'm so happy. Mpulira bulungi nnyo, ndi musanyufu, banayisimanyi nakumanya.
Oli omu ku bakyala be, oli omu ku well wishers, oli omu ku mikwano gye, ogwa mu gundi ki mu category?
Ndi omu ku mikwano gye. Yeah, he's my friend. We've actually done some content together, like 2 acting videos. Actually, Sefka kola bulungi he's acting or singing or dancing. Naye byokuvuma engeri gye bamuwadde bail, he's now free. Tugenda mubulirira. He's not going to attack anyone. That we promise as his TikTok family. Yeah.
Lwaki ba TikTokers abasinga mwekoledde nnyo erinnya mu kuvuma abantu than doing real content, oba gye twandiyise creative content?
Okilaba okuvuma omuntu asobola okuvuma like when he's not willing to, but at times you're broke and someone offers you, let's say 300, nagamba ono mwana amazeeko emirembe ankoze kino na kidi, just help me, attack that person for me. And of course you're broke, you have no money, and someone offers you 500. Who are you not to attack the person?
Kozo sente not erinnya ly'omuntu bw'otyo.
Yeah, but of course it's really bad, and I don't think Sefko will do it again, because he has suffered the consequences, and I think he won't do it again.
So linganga gamba muno aize, he has learned a lesson.
Yeah. He has learned more than enough.
So going back to you, abasinga gambye muno, I've been hearing rumors around ntino mwaze kwetega era mweteze nnyo wano ku kooti, mwagala kujjawo Yvonne ne mukyala Sefko oli omulala oba yaani simanyi, but alina abakyala nga babiri. How true is that?
That's false, because me personally, basobola kwetegera wano naddala kuba TikTokers, like my fellow TikTokers, it's not good. If I have any meeting with TikTokers, that's because I'm a well-wisher and I wish Sefko all the best. And if I have a meeting with TikTokers, that's because we have a video to do or something important. So tetuze wano kwetega. Because most of the guys here are my age mates, and mbasobola kwetegera ku my age mates, because you know bana bato nozolabira ku Sefko, Joey ne Yvonne bona beteze kukana katoba karanira bichi mwana nze sobola biko
wetegera ku bya myaka emeka.
No, at least someone who's something like 5 years older than me. So like
batera kubuza bakyala myaka lena atero
I'm 23.
Since ne Simon tuli mu level moyina okwetegekera.
So that means I'll be wanting someone who's 28 to 30 maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, but bana bato no, because because we are in the same age bracket, and baba bagenda kulumya omutwe. Yeah.
How long do you give TikTok? Like in terms of your day, your week, your month, your year? Ojiwa budde ekyokola muno so okubanga ofuna this kind of content that is really nice and educative and entertaining to the rest of the world?
TikTok Young, like I give it 4 days a week.
Wanji mama?
Yes, 4 days a week.
Okola.
Actually, I'm a university student at Makerere, and I'm in 3rd year. I'm actually finishing in August.
Oh, what are you pursuing?
Social science.
Oluzungu amu obedda nduli abane munansonyo enkuba mu Kembogo University fe twagivaamu dda ndine campasa nga ye mukitegedde 3rd year student swaswa.
Yeah. So njiwa 4 days a week, and that's Sunday.
So actually, when do you give your books time?
Every day I make sure I read something, and every day of course books are my first priority.
Ani akwambaza?
Ronnie.
Oh. Sokolaga abantu ku kintu kyoyambadde.
Nawe sikyamaanyi mukwano.
Nga telingange yavudde mu America?
Not really.
Omanyi nade nze nkubye akagatto kange nga manyika amaanyi naye ngenzo tuuka omwana nga akubye engatto nenkakasa nange nofunayo koba design. Soko chuke mu koboti kameramani wange akolayo bulungi. Oba akakooti kolamu koboti nga kati okyukemukko. Soko okyukemukko abantu. Bannange sikaki ndooza kana akantu ndooza njira nkajjeko ku ngalo zange ebisigadde tujja tubiteesateesaako kubanga ngenza okulaba Simon angambye kano nkajjeko nkakweke wala nnyo. So away from that, what else entertains you as a person, as you as a TikToker?
Actually, most of the time, you can't believe I put 50 GB monthly.
What? Sente uzijawa?
No. Like my point is, tesobola malako 2 weeks. Reason being.
Nzirise, awe nkomyo tegeera. Oba interview je ekolere.
No,
you put 50?
No, reason being, I love watching people's videos and learning from them. And if I'm not doing that, I'm watching, let's say, a Netflix movie, sort of.
Tukyali ku Junior ali ku Netflix mujja kitegeere no interview kegenda balumya.
So I spend most of my times on my phone.
So boyfriend wo mwadikadde?
Actually, it's going to shock you, but apparently I have no boyfriend.
Eno interviews ngenda givaako. So take application. Banange munzikiriza nteke application mu camera.
I don't like, I love being single, because when you're single you do whatever, you do everything you want. But when you have a boyfriend, they want, yeah, and it's always hard for them to understand you.
Those that really want you, like badly want you. Kwa dandawa ne wasajja onona bakutunulidde bagamba anachikazi obana ibyo twa ku TikTok. Okimanyi muno otwewunyiza muno filters gwate gwe filter. People should use as their filters. People should use it as their filters because ngenzo kunyenti nganda yadala mbotofu gwe filter mu filter.
Not really.
Because so many people think
filter sometimes. Actually, most of the times.
Which one do you use most?
TikTok, I don't use filters because I don't use filters on TikTok because I always record with my real camera, and that's how I always upload. I don't record via TikTok. So TikTok, sibera mu filter. Yeah.
You're serious? So
Yeah.
Who like one go gomba, who's your model on TikTok?
Actually, on TikTok, yeah, Sheila Gashumba is my role model.
Okay, so following anyo.
Yeah.
So which song does olukolere nnyo?
Actually, apparently, it's Ruga's new song. It's actually not yet out, but it's called Girlfriend.
Okay. Kale ebigambo ebisembayo eri abakola ku Celeb Jazz obagambe ne baso okusanga n'okugobera and all that.
Okay, thank you so much for viewing, for listening. I've told you I use Shoni256 on all my social media platforms, and I really love you so much, my people. I can never take you for granted. You've made me who I am, and kisses.
Kale, my name is the King himself. Wano ku Celeb Jazz nga bulijjo mbaagala nnyo era tukyali ku kooti nga olaba abantu bangi era Sefu kagenda kuba ateebwa. Side eri waliyo bannamawulire nga ye mubalaba nabo bazze okuba nga bakola bayigira ku ffe kye tukola. Side eno waliyo ba tiktokers abalala nabo tujja kuba twongera okuba nga tukola ki tubakutuusaako. Amanya nze King Smith mubeere bulungi mwera.
oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola vidiyo. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku namba zino: 07 2 1 4 1 oba 0755 3 7 oba 0777 23 4 King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.